Hi, I want to talk about some text function in Excel. So Excel is not very good at that, but nevertheless it has offer some function to handle some text. First one is concatenate. Usually when you combine the two texts together, and you can use this or a more simplified shorthand version N. And let's see how being done in the Excel. So I have an Excel spreadsheet here. This data. I have a surname called Peter and a given name Chan, and I can concatenate them. You can see I concatenate. It doesn't add a space here, so you have to allow a space here in order to have an appropriate space between the two words. And again, you can use the and, so you can use this, give you the same result. So this is how you combine different text. And next is you want to drop some text from a longer one, so it's a left and right or up in the middle. So let's see how it's being done. So this is a left from 3. Okay, this one, the first 3 letter P the pack, or right 2, last 2 letter AN, or middle from the second to the 7. So it's the 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you guess from 2 go by 7 characters. Okay, including space. And the next is length, is give the length. Okay, so I have length B3. If it's 10, because Peter is 4, Chan is 4, but Peter is 5, Chan is 4, so space is 1, so it's 10. So the next function is called find and search. So the difference is found is case sensitive, search is not. So here we saw. Look at Chan, exactly match, then you will 7. If you find it capital letter Chan, you will say, oh, I can't find the value. If you search, it doesn't care whether you have. So the next is trim and clean. Is to remove a space, empty space, and unprintable. Usually you only need that when your data is not very clean, but usually you don't have to do it. Usually when things in Excel, so usually it's nice and clean, because you also clean it in other software. So because Excel is not very nice to clean those stuff. So and the last one, substitute is replace. So it's very simple. As you can see, substitute this using Chan replaced by Lee, then you can Peter Chan and change to Peter Lee. Okay, thank you for listening for the text function for Excel.